Hi everybody, this is Francis Serrano from 413 Media Group, and today's another episode of Bayani Talk. Now, this one is now my subscription watch. I don't know what this is. There was a couple speculations that based upon where it was shipped out of what kind of watch this is, but let's find out. Okay, so as you can see, here's the package. Again, I blocked out my address just for my safety. It's still sealed, nothing's open, but we're opening it right now. All right, so that's open right there. There's some paperwork here. Let's get that. Thank you. Oh, yeah, for sure. Absolutely. To all the people risking their lives for this whole pandemic thing, maraming salamat. Thank you very much. You are the real heroes of this world. For the people who are in the hospitals, the nurses and the doctors, to the people making sure that there's food there's food in the shelves, and for the people delivering the food, thank you very, very much. We will get through this together. Okay, here's the box. All right, it says, never mind. I'm not even gonna comment on that. All right, there's no writing in this, not like the So & Co company, or So & Co New York. Ooh, it says notice for the open seas. Ready? Wow. Oh, I accidentally activated it. This is gorgeous. Holy Jesus. Let me just take this bad boy out. Probably should have opened it first. Oh my goodness, look at this. It's got a green, I don't even know what this is called, but it's green, but it's got a yellow accent to it. Silver, aluminum band. It does feel like it has some hefty weight to it. Oh my goodness, it has, I got to do more research on this. But it's the notice for the open seas. Okay, so there's that card underneath. I'm assuming this is probably the warranty card. Yep, it's a limited warranty card. But guys, this looks this looks and feels amazing. Opening it up now. Wow. Look at this. This is nice. All right, let me turn the camera back over. So here's the watch. Let me lower. So here's the watch. It is so nice. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I don't even know, how do I get more information about this watch? Oh, you know what? What I'm going to do is I'm going to post this on WatchGang to see everybody's opinion on this and what they think of it. But I love this already. This is definitely now my watch. The So & Co I'm definitely selling, but this is my watch. This is a keeper. I like the weight. I like the size. I like the color, the accents of it. Now I can wear my Lakers shirt with this. But yeah, I am in love with this watch, and I'll get more research on this. So if you're wanting to join WatchGang, I'm including my referral link to this so that I can get some points, help a brother out. But definitely, if you're just trying to get into watches, and by the way, be careful because it is, oh my goodness, it is addictive. But it is a wonderful, especially the WatchGang community, it's a wonderful community. People are so very, very nice. And I signed up for the $99 black tier level, and the watches, for the most part, I've gotten is great. I've done the wheel, so I'm actually contemplating about switching from full subscription to the wheel, but I like the surprise factor about it, so I might be able to keep it instead. But regardless of that, I'm very, very happy. I will put my referral code if you're looking to just start up a watch collection at an affordable rate, and you get a little surprise every month. I would suggest you sign up for WatchGang. Until then, my name is Francis Serrano from 413 Media Group, and today's another episode of Bayani Talk. Peace out, God bless, and keep swinging them sticks.